Is it your first time logging into your Nimbly account, or are you having trouble logging in? We'll show you how to activate your account and walk you through how to log in. Before you start, make sure your Nimbly app is updated to the latest version. First, open your Nimbly app and click Active Accounts. Then, enter your registered work email or phone number. Make sure you enter a valid email address or phone number in an international format. Click Verify Account. If you're using email, you will receive a verification link to your email. Check your inbox and open the email with the subject Sign in to Nimbly. If you can't find the email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. Click the Verify Account button in the email. Make sure you open the email on the same phone you use for the Nimbly app. If you're using a phone number, you will receive a verification code as a text message. Enter the verification code into the Nimbly app. Click Confirm Code. Type your new password in the New Password field. Retype your new password in the Confirm Password field. The password must be at least 6 characters long and contain at least 1 letter and 1 number. The password is case sensitive. Click Submit. Once you see this, that means your account is ready to use. How to log into your Nimbly account. Open the Nimbly app. Type in your registered email address. Wait until the password input field appears and enter your password. Click Submit. Done!